Metal supply chain managers and planners, they have to deal with so many complexities. And that's exactly why we developed OMP for metals. Let's start first with customers. Always. They are constantly placing a wide variety of orders, and each order is unique and well-defined. They know what they want, they know when they want it, and they know the price they're willing to pay. The market is very volatile. It can change at any moment, so it's essential to provide excellent service. Otherwise, customers go away. As a supply chain planner, you need to quickly and nimbly manage all these individual requests. For each one, you need to check where in your supply chain you can source exactly what's required, whether it's raw materials, intermediate product, or a finished item. It's mainly a make-to-order business, so before you can accept the order, you also need to check whether it's feasible and reserve the right production capacity for it. That's a difficult one, because you're going to need dozens of machines in complex routings across multiple plants. Subcontractors are also involved. Once you've checked that materials and capacities are in place and other constraints are dealt with, you can accept the order. So far, so good, but that's only the beginning. Unsurprisingly, there are a few other things to think about. First, quality. You'll need manufacturing to follow preferential routings if possible and alternatives where necessary. They'll also need to comply with homologation where it applies. Then, efficiency. You'll want to optimize the production campaigns on the machines involved. Long campaigns reduce setup costs and boost efficiency, but shorter campaigns will increase your flexibility, so you'll be constantly looking to find the right balance there. Next, working capital. You'll want to carefully manage your high-value inventory levels of raw materials and intermediate and finished products. And finally, there are unforeseen events to deal with, such as machine breakdowns and out-of-specification batches needing reworking or reprocessing. To make matters even more complicated, you could be watching helplessly as bottlenecks shift across operations and machines, depending on the mix of incoming orders. And it's at that point you might feel things are completely out of control. So say hello to OMP for metals. We understand how complex your business can be, with all the difficult trade-offs you have to make day by day. Our experts will model the complexities of your supply chain to the level of detail that's needed, and we put in place a range of smart solvers to speed up decision-making, automate the complex and time-consuming tasks, and make communicating across your supply chain so much easier. And planning, finally, becomes a real joy. OMP. Making your day.